Alright, you just keep your hand there and do not move it, okay? Ready? Come over here. We're going to line our red mark up right here with our pencil line. Okay? Now we get to go over here and do the same thing. Okay? Watch your step. Okay? Same thing. Remember, we're going to go off our pencil line. We put that red line right on the pencil line. Okay? We come over here. We line that red mark with the pencil line. Right there. Okay? Now we'll set that down and turn the shop back off. Okay, now we can take this out. Got a hold of that one? Okay.
Let me see the lines that you just put.
Now you can look at the lines, Jack.
What goes in those lines?
The biscuit.
The biscuit.
Why don't you grab a couple biscuits, put them in there, and see if you can't hook it together. You only need 2. How are you going to connect that with 4 of them in there?
Yeah.
Okay, now you... Yep.
There you go.
And you look at your pencils. Make sure your pencil lines line up. That looks good.